How to set up a virtual data room getting started guide for beginner. Virtual rooms save business a lot of time and effort in their deal making while providing a participate with all those necessary for efficiency, teamwork, st- streamline due diligence, and secure space for keeping conditional information. This guide will tell you about the changing of virtual data room setup provider, affected setup on how to set up a data room properly, and offer some of the best practice to maximum data room uses. So tab of contract changing related to setting up a virtual data room setup. Involving the setup is a data room, the best practice for beginner from in 2013 virtual data room setup K stock 3 data room. How to set up a virtual data room getting started guide for beginners. So virtual data rooms save business a lot of time and effort in their deal making while providing participatory will let them while these tools necessary for efficiency teamwork, statement due diligence and a secure space for keeping conditional information. This guide will be tell you about the change to virtual data room setup, provide efficiency setup on how to set up data room properly, and offer some of the best parties to maximum my data room uses. So in this video I need to talk about and I need to explain how to set up a virtual data room getting started the guide for beginner. So thank you watching this video. I think this video very helpful for you. So like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.